welcome. You're watching Business Today Television. I'm Sakshi Batra, and this is a special edition where our focus is on the primary market space, which is hotting up. And one after the other, you are seeing a whole host of launches with the newest IPOs coming on the D Street. And the latest one to open today is the IPO of Rekha, Jhunjhunwala-Backed company, Bazaar Style Retail, that's open for bidding today. That's on August 30th. The company will be offering its shares in the range of 370 to 389 rupees per share, and investors like you and I can be bidding for a minimum of 38 equity shares in the one lot and then in multiples thereafter. The issue will close on September 3rd, so up until then you will be getting an opportunity to invest in this IPO. So in this video I'm going to be helping you understand every detail that you must know before you look ahead to invest into this IPO or apply or bid for this IPO, and also what are the top brokerage houses really saying as to whether you should be subscribing to this issue or not. So let's start off first by Bazaar Style Retail as a company, what it does. So the company is a fashion retail. It largely operates in East India, mostly in West Bengal and Odisha. And it offers apparels for men, women, boys, girls, even infants. They also have general merchandise in their stores, such as non-apparels and even home furnishing products as well. And the company focuses on providing a family-oriented shopping experience, largely offering quality products, striving to offer every Indian a stylish merchandise at an affordable price. And largely their focus is on the tier 3 and 4 cities. Remember, this is an IPO of 834 odd crore rupees that actually includes a fresh issue of shares of 148 odd crore rupees, and the rest of it is the OFS as well. Remember, the net proceeds which the company will be garnering from the fresh issue will be utilized towards prepayment or repayment of all or a portion of certain outstanding borrowings availed by the company and the general corporate purposes as well. Now, the company, in consultation with the managers of the issue, have also undertaken a pre-IPO placement of 37 crores, resulting in the reduction of the fresh issue size to 148 crore rupees. Now, ahead of its IPO, Bazaar Style Retail has already raised about 250 crores via the anchor investors as well. This company was incorporated in the year 2013, and Bazaar Style Retail store averaged around 9,046 square feet, and they were staffed by trained employees to enhance customer experience. As of March 31st of 2024, these are the details that we have. The company operates in stores in Odisha, in Bihar, in Assam, Jharkhand, Andhra Pradesh, even in Uttar Pradesh, Tripura, Chhattisgarh. These are the cities which it has presence in. So it's expanded its presence across 9 states and operates about 162 stores as of March 31st, 2024. Now, this company has also reported a net profit of 21.9 crores, and versus when we'll talk about the revenue figure, that is also to the tune of 982 crores for the fiscal year that was ended on March 31st of 2024. Now, the company's grey market premium has also been pretty high to the tune of 135 rupees per share, and that suggests a gain of about 34-35 odd% over the upper end of the price band as of now on the day one of the IPO. Remember, Bazaar Style Retail has also reserved shares worth about 1 crores for the eligible employees of the company, who will also be getting a discount of 35 rupees per share. Overall, 50% of the net offer is reserved for qualified institutional buyers. Then retail investors can bid for about the 35% of the portion of the IPO, and remaining 15% is allocated and shall go to non-institutional investors as well. Now, among the fast-growing value retailers with diverse offerings, healthy network expansion to continue to shift towards organized segment is a big positive that most of the analysts are actually looking at this company. Now, they also believe that the company is likely to become debt-free right after the IPO, because they will be using the proceeds to prepay or repay some of the borrowings, and they also expect the profitability to improve thereafter as well. Now, the shares of this company will be listed on both BSE and on NSE on Friday, that will be September 6, which is the tentative date of listing. Now, here's what the brokerage firms are saying about the IPO Bazaar Style Retail, whether you should be investing in it or not. So, DR Choksi Finserv, they have a subscribe rating. They believe the company has a cluster-based expansion model. It has proven effective by rapidly adding new stores and near existing ones to boost operational efficiency as well and market presence. A significant focus of the company is on expanding the private label offerings, which has driven the growth of the company as well. And therefore, they believe the company is well positioned to capture a larger share of the growing Indian retail market, and therefore they have a subscribe rating to this IPO. Next, we have a note from Stockbox. The company is also again given a subscribe rating to this IPO. They believe the company commands a high valuation with a PE ratio of 124 times at the upper end of the price band on FY24 earnings. However, given the company's efforts to enhance the fiscal performance, increase profitability through private labels and expanding market share penetration as well, they have also suggested subscribe rating to this issue. The third brokerage house where we have the report from is Nirmal Bang Securities. That's also given a subscribe rating for the long term. They also believe that the company's focus to grow in Tier 3 and Tier 4 cities is beneficial. The company over the years has built strength in understanding and creating affordable products for customers. It has garnered customer stickiness as well, and the company is available at an EV to EBITDA basis of 21.5 times of FY24 earnings, and on basis of this, it looks reasonable versus the industry average of 28 times, and therefore they are also recommending subscribe rating to this issue for the long term gains. Now, Geojit Financial Services is the next brokerage house that we have also taken the report from. They have also given a subscribe rating for long term for the company. They believe the company enjoys a healthy mix of private label. They currently own about 10 brands, and third party brands are also offered at their stores. Revenue from the sale of private label brands has also grown at a CAGR of 64.5% from FY22 to FY24. They have also achieved repeat customer purchases of 72% in FY24, indicating the high degree of customer stickiness. And considering the rise in demand, aggressive store additions, customer retention, cluster-based expansion model, positive industry growth opportunities, they have also assigned subscribe rating for the short to medium term basis on the company as well. So now you are well informed about all the details that this company has, the financials, the current highlights that brokerage houses are betting big on. Most of the brokerage houses that we have read the reports from, they've all given subscribe rating to this issue. So I hope that you will be able to take an informed decision now, but do speak to your own financial expert as well before taking an investment decision based on the videos that are suggested, because this is for informative purpose that we do on Business Today Television. Thanks a lot for tuning in for now.
Why is there compliance in the first place? Why can business not do without any regulations? Why can it not do without any compliances? The reason is simple.